This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Brandy Holdman. Stunning East Side 2-story bedroom home near parks, schools, shopping and Indiana University. This amazing floor plan makes excellent use of space. The main level features both a family room with fireplace and a den/office accessed by glass French doors. The kitchen has ample cabinet space and is situated between a breakfast nook and separate dining room. Upstairs, there are 3 bedrooms plus a large bonus room that could serve as a 4th bedroom. Recent interior updates include engineered maple hardwood flooring with cork underlayment throughout the main level, butcherblock kitchen countertops, touchless faucets in kitchen and half bath, motion-activated lights, fresh paint, and a new furnace. Outside, enjoy a covered front porch, large wooden deck with pergola in the backyard, a vegetable garden with irrigation system, flowering trees, and a durable vinyl shed. Schedule your tour today.